Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to have everyone here. So for today's episode, we are going to do a tag video. And firstly, I would like to say thank you to my good friend Danny. Thank you for tagging me and making this video. And guys, I'm going to link her channel up here and in the description box. So please make sure you check her videos out. Honestly, I super enjoy watching her fun and very informative videos. Alright, so for this episode, what we are going to do is I'm going to share to you guys 5 things that I will never, ever buy. So if you want to know what these 5 things are, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our family. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, before we begin, I would like to mention that I'm not bashing anyone who has the items that I would be mentioning here. So this is just my personal style and my personal take on these items. If you have them, I'm happy and I would like to say congratulations to you guys. So let's be kind to each other. Alright, let us begin. Alright, the number 1 item that I would never ever purchase in my life would be any luxury bag that is made of number 1 shearling or made with fur or faux fur or any of those kinds of material. And the reasons why I am not purchasing these bags, as beautiful as they are, is the very difficult maintaining these bags. So we have a couple of brands who are carrying these types of very trendy bags. So we have, of course, Prada, there's also from Fendi, there's also from Louis Vuitton, and of course there is also from Chanel. So as we know, these are luxury bags and very expensive. And for me personally, my style, I would like to of course be choosing a genuine leather because number 1, the longevity of this bag, I would be able to maximize, you know, what I paid for this very expensive bag. And like for example, with shearling bags and faux fur bags, could you just imagine guys, like for example, what it would look like couple of years from now, like how it would go against dust, what happens when it gets wet, when you know we were outside and it start raining. So where or what place are you going to bring this bags to for you to be able to clean this? So if you have the shearling bags, guys, please comment down below. I would like to know what are the things that you do to maintain the beauty of your luxury bags. Alright, the number 2 item that I would never ever purchase is another bag from Fendi. You know guys, honestly, I don't hate Fendi. Honestly, on the contrary, I do love Fendi. But the bag that I would not be purchasing from them is their basket bag. So I'm going to put a photo here for reference. And the reason for this one, actually when I have seen this bag on the shopping vlogs of my fellow YouTubers here, I was like questioning, OMG, like what is Fendi thinking? Because this bag is very reminiscent to a plastic basket bag that I've seen when I was still a child. Could you imagine? So I'm going to put again a photo here side by side. I've tried to Google and there are some that you could purchase right now from Etsy and other online resellers there. So they're saying that this is the 80s, 90s bag. So like what I mentioned, I've seen this bag when I was still younger and I couldn't imagine, like for example, if I'm going to purchase this bag, I haven't seen this one honestly in person. I only have seen this via Fendi.com and of course via the other shopping blogs here. But when I've seen this, again, I wouldn't be spending that much just to purchase this bag because where am I, number 1, where am I going to bring this bag? I think they are thinking that you're going to bring this one as a beach bag, but then again, if I'm going to the beach or to the pool, definitely I would not be bringing my very expensive bag. Plus the design of this one, it's not very creative. I feel that they need to amp up the volume if they want to create a bag that is very suitable for summer or for going to the beach or going to the pool. So for this one, definitely is a no. And I'm not really sure about you guys. Again, if you have this, please do comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Honestly, I haven't seen anyone here like made a review on the basket bag of Fendi. So if I'm going to purchase this one, I would just rather save my money. Maybe I'll just go, of course, for the classic Fendi baguette. So that is number 2. Alright, the number 3 item that I would never ever purchase would be from the luxury brand Givenchy. So this would be, I'm not really sure of the name guys, so please forgive me, but it is their shoe. I'm just going to put a photo here. So guys, I would be very brutal with this one. This is one ugly shoes. I know ugly is a very strong word, but I really couldn't think of anything or flattering to describe when I have seen these shoes walk the runway and when I have seen this on Instagram. So you know guys, I'm not really sure if you're familiar, I am also a shoe designer, and you may actually be saying my shoes are ugly, but I'm just going to post some of the shoes that I have designed in the past. Their name is Monster Shoes, and the reason why I'm naming them Monster Shoes because honestly it's a little bit scary, it's a little bit out there, but that is my style. But when I have seen the Givenchy shoes, technically I should be falling in love or falling head over heels with them because they're unique, they're something different. But no, because the reason why is I feel this is a knockoff of the armadillo shoes of the very great my idol Alexander McQueen. So I've actually also seen, I just couldn't find the photo because I've seen on Instagram that they have let Kylie Jenner wear this on one of her magazine shoots, and again, it does nothing to Kylie Jenner. As we know, Kylie's very sexy, very sensual, and this shoes is doing the opposite with Kylie Jenner's style. So I'm not really sure about you guys if you're going to purchase this one. Honestly, there are a lot of shoes from the new creative director that he is designing for Givenchy. There is one where the heels is made of like the horn of an animal or a goat. I'm trying to put a photo here as well if I could find one. But again, the shoes that he is designing, I really do have high hopes with the new creative director, Matthew Williams, but unfortunately with some of his accessories, like the shoes that I mentioned, is a no for me, and I would never ever waste my money purchasing those kinds of footwear. Alright, item number 4 that I will never ever purchase is from the luxury brand Louis Vuitton, and this is the design of Virgil, the vegetable bag charm. So again, I'm going to put a photo right beside me. So what do you guys think of this one? So for me, if you have seen my 10 micro bag collection, I am such a fan of micro bags, especially if those micro bags I could turn into a bag charm. Like of course my Fendi baguette and one of my vintage Papillon micro bag charm. But for this micro bag charm that he has designed, ooh, and the price points, I'm sure it is really expensive. So for this one, it's very small. I'm not really a fan of the vegetable design. I know I said I love unique and quirky stuff. Actually guys, I have discussed this on one of my previous vlog, wherein I have mentioned whether it's hot or not, and this one is definitely a not. Like for example, the carrot pouch, I'm not sure what it would look like. I just couldn't imagine me carrying it in right beside my bag. Yes, it's quirky, but again, it's very trendy, and I feel like maybe I could use it like 1 year top, then after that I will not be able to use it, especially the one that looks like onion. No. So definitely these 3 charms, bag charms from Louis Vuitton, I would never ever purchase. Alright, number 5 things that I would never ever purchase would be again from the brand Louis Vuitton, unfortunately. So guys, I'm not bashing Louis Vuitton. You know, I love Louis Vuitton, but there are stuff there that for me personally, I would not be purchasing. And this one, the number 5 would be on their fashion jewelry. So I don't have anything against any fashion jewelry. So you know, I love a good fashion jewelry. Like for example, my earring, my YSL earring here, my ring. As long as for me, those fashion jewelries I could wear and would serve a purpose. So for the number 5 item, this would be I call the silly fashion jewelry from Virgil. And again, I have discussed this on my previous vlog. So the first one would be the eraser necklace that you could turn into a brooch. So the reason why I would not be ever purchasing this one, actually I have seen this one also personally at Louis Vuitton. I'm going to put a little bit of clip here. So number 1, of course, the price point. It's super expensive. And number 2, I was actually questioning what is the design idea, why you're going to wear a necklace, or rather, why are you going to wear your eraser as a necklace? Because like what I've mentioned, me as a designer personally, I could understand maybe a pencil or a pen as a necklace, because of course sometimes you need it on, you know, on the spot, but I never imagined that I would be needing an eraser as a necklace. So that's the reason for this one. And of course, again, I'm not getting the design idea for this one. It's I think it's like, I'm not really sure. Can someone help me or explain to me what is this for? And the second fashion jewelry from actually the same collection, the fall winter 2021 collection of Louis Vuitton for men's, would be the pen jewelry of Louis Vuitton. Again, the only reason why I would say no to this one, why I'm not buying it, is again the price point of this one. Plus, let's say I purchased this one, would it come with an extra ink, or would Louis Vuitton refill this one up for me? Again, could you imagine how sad it would be? Like for example, an $800 pen runs out of ink and it's disposable and you're just going to throw it away. So these 2 items, luxury fashion jewelry, I will never ever purchase. There, how did you like our episode today, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed that. So again, guys, I am not bashing anyone here. If you have these items, I'm super happy for you. So if you like to do this tag video, I'm going to put some names on the description box below. But if your names are not there, guys, I'm inviting you to also do this tag video and kindly tag me so I could watch them. Alright, so before we end our episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Nikki Glamorous. Nikki, thank you so much for your wonderful comment, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Welcome to our family. I can't wait to get in touch with you and watch more of your super fab and amazing vlog. I'll see you. Alright guys, again, I'm inviting you to join our growing family. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our family. Please do give me the likes, the thumbs up, and hit that notification bell because again guys, I publish 2 vlogs every week. So one is on Wednesday and the other one is on Saturday where I publish our shopping vlog. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, again, a million thank yous for staying with me until the end of this video. Please stay tuned this Saturday. We have a new adventure. We are going shopping again. I'm super excited to be sharing that. So please stay safe and I will see you soon. Bye!